What is this? Another box. I wonder what it could be. Let's see. It's very light. Can y'all guess what it is? It's a spoiler. I didn't buy it directly from Tesla. I got it from RPM Tesla for a fraction of the price. And probably, as you all know, it's matte carbon fiber. I don't even know how to open this thing. And it also has a code there. It says watch now, or you probably have an instructional video, and it's the Model 3 Performance spoiler ABS. I'll show you how it looks. See if we can get a good shot of this. So it's matte, and this is how the inside looks. If you can see in this video, that's how the tape looks, and it runs all the way down on both sides. I think I like it. It's not too much. I don't like to go too big on there, but I think it'll definitely stick, and we'll get to the installation. This could be days later. I'll see you then. I'll probably have on different clothes as well. Very excited. I'm back, everybody. So it's a few days later. Sorry for the loud noise, as you can see right there. Fire department here. So what we're gonna do first, I'm gonna check and see if everything looks good. Then I'm gonna put that tape down. So whenever I start putting the actual spoiler down, just make sure it looks good. I'll show you right here. Each side should be around 5. So we'll go over this side right here. So it's around 5 right there. So what we'll do over here, we'll put this little electrical tape down so it won't like hurt anything. I'm just gonna put it right here as a reference point. All right. Now I'm gonna take this off. I've already got my points done. Now I'm gonna do is just clean this part so it's a good stick. So what I'm doing, I'm taking some little alcohol swabs, and then I'm gonna clean that area. This is where it's gonna adhere to the trunk. That should be good, huh?
Mm-hmm. That's perfect.
That should be good right there, one of them. I'll just go over this one right here. Alright. So it should be good now. Alright, now it's time to get it applied. have everything down like we wanted, I'm gonna let it sit for a while. Then a little bit later on, I'll show you like the finished product. I appreciate it, bro, for helping me tape this. It's hard taping with just a dang tripod, but I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, everyone, it's been about 6 to 7 hours, I would say, that I put the spoiler on. So now I'm gonna just show you of me removing the tape. I did put more tape on towards the bottom. Well, this will pretty much complete the video. You won't see me anymore. You'll just see a little bit of B-roll, I would say, of me removing it and seeing the final product. Thank you all for watching. I work really hard on my videos. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you see fit. This is YouTubeKeN. I'll see you in the next video.